So I take this Growmie cube, I think it's like a 2.5 or 3 by 3. Get me one of my plants. And this one, the roots are just starting to come out the side, so I'll just set it there for now, but I'm going to not forget to use this time. We're going to use some Great White. Lift up the cube. And then we'll go to the next one. The roots are coming out of that one. And this last one, look at that one. That one's a, I believe this one is raspberry parfait, actually. Raspberry parfait. And this one's necromancer's kush. And then bath springer. Look at the stalk on that one right now. Oh, yeah. So let me go find another cube for this one. Alright, I'm going to try to be gentle with this one here. But I'm going to do the same thing. Alrighty. From here, I take a cup this size and I pop the rock wool into the cup and then put the cup into the system. We'll do that right now. Put the cup into the system, just like that. There you have it. I go from the Sphagnum Root Riot cubes to the 3 by 3 rock wool cubes. And then I take these cubes after they get some time to root, and I'll put this into a hydroponics system or a living soil or the ground, what have you. You can put it in anything. So, yeah. Keep growing, Growmies. Till next time.